Wednesday, FOMC day. We're going to go over the alerts from last night into today. I just wanted to first show you the account. So I mentioned last week, I think at some point, that beginning in February, I'm going to be dedicating one of my funded accounts completely to trade alerts trades, meaning every trade in this account is going to be only from the trade alerts that I post in the evening of each day to be traded the following day. So if you watch my videos, you know when I take a payout, I always leave at least $10,000 over the starting balance. This way, I'm never concerned about blowing the account. So this is a $150,000 account. So after the payout, as you see, cash on hand. So cash on hand meaning the balance before coming into today. So after the payout, I have a balance of 160.15. So this is where we start the month. So today I took a number of trades from the trade alerts. I think I just missed one because, of course, I forgot to enable the arbitrator. I do that almost every day with at least one instrument, but I'm going to show you the charts. I think it was the Russell, and the Russell definitely hit today. But anyway, if I miss, it's on me, and then the balance is going to be lower. So today, though, 750, I think on 5 trades, I think was the NASDAQ, gave me a very nice positive slippage. So we're going to go over this. So this is the total for today. This is the total after commissions. So of course, the only thing I did was I just erased the account numbers. But that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be using this one account to trade all the alerts. And this way there is no question as to how much potential profit, I guess, the alerts could produce. Now, this is actual. This is not potential. But I think legally I'm supposed to say potential. So this is what actually happened. And I took some screenshots of the arbitrator taking these trades. And again, I have to use the arbitrator because I'm doing too many things. I'm trading too many charts. And there is just no way for me to keep track of everything. So let's get to the trades. So let's start oil first. Oil was along at 79.42 for a quick 100. I felt very comfortable trading oil before the FOMC announcement. Oil, for the most part, is not directly involved, so I felt comfortable with that. S&P was a short at 4,065 for 8 ticks to get the 100. Gold was a short at 1939 and 10 ticks on gold to hit the 100. This was the NASDAQ, so the NASDAQ with very nice positive slippage just came out. Numbers were moving really fast, prices were moving. So it came out of the box, which was along at 12,171 and gave me the target here. YM was a short at 33,921. Looking for 20 ticks in the YM. And yeah, like I said, the only one I forgot to enable the arbitrator on was the Russell. So let me show you the larger chart on the Russell. So the Russell was along at 1943. So that's right over here. And obviously gave you the 20 ticks you would need to hit you 100, but I just forgot to enable the arbitrator on this one, and that's on me. An amazing FOMC day, I think, for most people in the room. And let me just mention, in that account I was talking about, so the total would not include trades that are real-time trades that I talk about in the room. On the channel, I should say, in real time, I give S&P and NASDAQ trades. I am not including that. Like I said, that account is only going to have the trade alerts that I post. It's not going to have anything else. Group members know how to get in early before the trigger even happens. They know what to do if price leaves. Let's say the price is far from the trigger. They know how to get long or short, depending on where price is in relation to the trigger. I'm not including any of that. That account is simply going to have the trades from the alerts. Whatever the buy or the sell price is, that's what it's going to be. Well, we still have some time. How about to just look at some charts? So the S&P was along at 4,094 or a short at 65. So, well, this happened right at the announcement. I imagine most people would not want to take this trade as the announcement happens. There was another nice drive on the short side, and then it just broke through the long side. In the room, I was actually saying, as long as they can firm up on 65 to 68 was important to me for the completion of the long side. I mentioned in the channel that numbers I was looking for, if they are bullish, is 4102, 4112, 4120 I mentioned last week. So all of these numbers now have been completed, and they're above them now. So overall, S&P was really good to us. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ was a long at 171, 12,171. The short side never triggered, which was 12,027. On the long side, again, a number of opportunities after the announcement here, breaks through, and then the big break up. And I was saying on the channel today that before the day is over, the Nasdaq is probably going to hit 220 and 250, and they are way above that at this point. So, yeah, a great FOMC day for me, and I hope for most people in the group. Again, if you want to join us, we have a website now, or you can email me, and I'll let you know how you can join. Thank you, guys.